Alright, so so I got underglow. So this let me yeah, I'll show you. So they come for 2 long ones for the sides. It's kind of hard to see, my bad. And then they got front and back. It's really nice, well done. They made connectors for each individual one. They got zip ties with it. Are they stuck together? No. This is the module itself, and then you got extension probably for the rears, more extensions, and this is probably one of their options where you can plug it into a cigarette lighter and just click it on and off. I also came with some, I don't know. Yeah, I still don't know. And then they have fuse tappers, but I don't know if I can use it off a fuse. Instructions, obviously. And a little cool control module keychain thing, so you can change it whenever. Just pretty cool. So let's see how to do this. I have no idea what I'm doing. Find out. What I have done so far. I took off this undercover under my car. It's like on the side thing. And so this is gonna I'm still gonna void my warranty on this item. So this cover has this little side piece. I'm gonna mount this LED straight to it. You know, like oh man, I don't know. Like, just gonna do that. Could drill more holes because they do have these brackets for zip ties specifically, and I'm not making that up because shows you right there, zip ties. So it's going to be zip tied to here, and well, there's really no point in me buying the red locker. But I'm just going to put it out anyway and see what happens. So what we got here is one bolt mounting bracket. Behind it is a bolt to this undercover with a zip tie providing instructions. So I did 3 of those brackets, and then actually, oh man, you could see, oh wow, I had a thread locker on all of them. I don't know if it'll help, but you know, it's worth a shot. That blue mark is thread locker, so you can get it at Home Depot, but if it works, hey, worth it. Ow, crap, that crap hurts. Alright, so the first one, this is how it looks. Dang, so it's gonna hit, well, you can't really see with my headlamp. It's gonna hit this cover or this chassis before it hits this, so it should be clear. And then, oh man, my camera is just in the way, so I ran the wire. It's not tucked yet, but I'm gonna do that once I get all the wires together. Under this wire, through this fender, I tucked it behind here. You can't really see it. It's kind of too bright now. So I tucked it through here, and then you can see it. Yeah, so it's gonna run through that hole. It's gonna run through the other hole, and it's going to go through that little mount there. So the previous owner actually had an amp in here, but I took it out because I'm not really about that sound life, bro. So I just used that hole for this connector for that underglow. So that's only one side. I'm gonna connect them all, and then I'll zip tie them somewhere so it's not hanging. So I'm gonna start on the other front. I'm gonna start on the front now, and then I'm gonna try to do the other side and see what happens. Alright, so I will admit, don't recommend it, but I'm gonna try it. You know it's bad when I start laughing before I even show it. Yeah. So I drilled a hole, zip tied it around my undercover. I have used one of their remaining two brackets they provided. Put Loctite on the bolts. Still don't know if that's gonna work or not, but if it works, we'll find out. Another one right there. I can only put 3 because you can kind of see. You can see it's going down, so it's like concave here, and then it sticks out right there. So these are the only big platforms that I could use, I guess, on the level. And then the wire, I'm still gonna tuck it soon. So I went through. I'm gonna tuck it with my fog light through the side of the headlight. And okay, I did take off my intake box, or partial it. And it's run right there. You can see it running under here. I tucked it under my main harness ish, and it's running through here. I did have to use an extension, so it can reach in there nicely without pulling any wires. So that is the fronts. Now I gotta do this side. This is what it looks like on the other side. Yeah. And that wire is going to go through just like the other side. I'll tuck it later. To the fender. Goes to the top. Extension. Under the brake booster. Over to these ABS brake lines. You can't really see it because it's back there. Yeah, you can't really see it, and it goes all the way back there behind these, and it's going to be tucked under here with these, goes to be zip tied to these 2 holes and to there. So just need the back one, and let's see how this goes. The rears was probably the most jankest jank. So that was held on by zip tie, and no surprise that this was held on by a zip tie on the end of a, I forgot to cut that, on a long zip tie, because zip tie is alive. And the wire is going over here, gonna be zip tied with the fuel lines, not super tight though, going around the subframe. You can't really show it, it's not that good. It's tucked under this cover. Well, not yet. It's gonna be. It's following the same one on this side. Let's see if this thing works. I'm gonna plug in the battery and see if this thing even works actually. I don't even know. Oh shoot, no, I can't see. Bro, I wanted to turn it on. Look at this, this is lit, bro. This is so sick. All this effort I'm putting into this is so worth it, bro. Oh, dude, this looks crazy. Hold on, wait. What the fuck? Bro, this thing is sick. Bro. I don't care what you call me, bro. I don't know about you, but this is sick, man. I don't know what happened. Why did everybody keep thinking this is rice, bro? This shit is clean, my guy. It's orange and gold in real life, but on camera shows red. It's showing it different. It's like wavy in my camera. Whoa. Hold on, let me finish this up. Hold on. Whoa, this just got me hyped. Alright, so it started around like, I think 8 o'clock. Oh man. Did I start at 8? I think I started at 8 or 7, and it's like, it's 1:55 a.m. So, I got it done. Kinda happy with it. So, I'm kinda tired, so I'm just end the video right there, so. I don't wanna do that. Yeah, I'll just see you next time.